Mynta ke arpulai tarik Nailar hajar arpuar ke kynhun ki seng bhalang kajylla Meghalaya ki leit iakynduh yau Myntri Rangbah u Conrad K Sangma halor ke jingiapanbeit Soi Hapdeng ke Meghalaya bat kajylla Assam. Haba kren cikilat pathai khubor hadien ke jingialang u Conrad Sangma u iathuh bana kaliang ke Sorkar ke Pyni ya ki Jingeh ke Jongka ban Pynkylla ya ke Memorandum of Understanding ya Kaba La Dep ya Soi Hapdeng ke Sorkar Assam bat Meghalaya. Hakajuk kapor Conrad Sangma oleh iathuh balapan sengothu bat Pyni ya ki seng bhalang ya kita ki technicalities ni ki mat ki bayadei bat ke jingkentup ya ki jaka khaput kat bakum kamap ke jong usnem hajar khatweng. Kinong yalam ki seng bhalang haba ya kren berkilat pathai khubor kila penpau ke jing sothu ke jongki ya ke jing pensyai ke Sorkar jylla halor ke Mou Kaba La Dep Soi nreha ke juk kapor kila penpau ru bana kaliang ke jongki kendang yai beteng ban yele ban om ai ya ki jaka syaka jylla Assam ya ki baladon lupa ha ke jylla Meghalaya.
And hence, it was a huge challenge, and we had to move forward with that report of 2011, and they have understood this now. But of course, their concerns are still there. They say that the people's will is there, and the fact that people desire to be in Meghalaya, and they would like to see that this, at least those few areas that are there, some kind of steps could be taken to work out something in those areas. So we can't say anything right now. But of course the second phase has started. So while those discussions take place, we will see how to move forward, and in the meantime we can of course hear from the NGOs also what they have to say. But I think we have clarified all the details to them, and they have understood the technical challenges that are there, and they've realized also, I presume, that how this entire process had moved forward and how we came to this conclusion. But as I said, that there are concerns, and we will do our best to try and address those concerns.
So are they still demanding to scrap the MOU?
That you to ask them. That is not something that
So
I
how
can answer.
how will the government ensure that these villages that they have pointed out are being
No, we can't
brought
ensure.
back
No, we can't
to
ensure,
Mynta?
or we can't assure anything. But as I said, that there are these areas, concerns, and as we said, these are discussions that are moving forward. The MOU has been signed, but as we move forward in our discussions, as we move forward in the second phase, we will try and talk and discuss with our counterparts and see how things can be moved. But there's no question of changing the MOU as such. These are few villages which are right at the border, hardly 10 meters, 15 meters away from the line that is proposed. So we will see how it moves forward. It's not something that I can commit right now, but let the process continue. And we have noted down the concerns of the honourable, the NGOs and the members from the different organizations, and we will see how to move forward.
Yes, saya kata ni Dep Soi dekat MOU Hapdeng jingiapanbeit di Assam. Mau ba atli ki meeting ba Sorkar ini balakot. Pasno ba Sorkar kalau along kun jumut kata panbeit di Assam nama ba. Kani kam isu kebarang dawam tam tak layak sempur di sana. Jika ini ajimut untuk kopor kalau ngubah kadiban sim ban bias kata history bakra. Kadiban sim bro bias ya ka konsep joka history. Pat kajuk kopor kadiban pensong nongrem bro. Pat ban snap pasno ban kiit ki hima gat state council hirushmet ki badon ki kot islah. Tehre hadim kalika first phase kal ajak kuntu. Ni I kadon ka jingya bom hun babun ba ini ikan kan kidon ikan hun ba dalam penkrep manja sindika ando kadon ko jibob so hun kidon dapat ba penpau rajong jup penpau hendai habang ya kenduk basni pesno ya kani hadin mila ya boros ka tu bal snap ke jing sisa ini nak kaliang ka Sorkar wa menta pi kata ka jinglong juman ba nang lu ka simba nu ka sna hendai samba kani ka jing persang ya keban Droi waktu lain kami jar aku pentumbuh Pyni ke Sorkar minta orang belajar yang luar jar katwe. Kalau kebadet, kalau kebalat ngakrai ke Sorkar yang sejuak ni nama penjuak wan half dong kau mana. Henry kaibu ikwa pan persus ke Sorkar minta sini kalau ba. Misu tu ba Sorkar ong kau belum ba aban ong banyak keren sepang teka review teka ibu. Henry ngakrai ba Assam kadang hab India, kami Meghalaya hab India, matrai kadon kalenti semua banwak dekat kalenti. Katang I kecing start from Sorkar. Jika nomorem kecungi keren tolong ba. Kamdei banyumben ni ban klepno jeng jauh mat jeng cukup beri kosong hibor. Mengakren kata tolong Umday menunggu pada semua itu kita tu. Dah ni sampai tu digisnam, mati semua kita siap itu kita putar. Lah kalau berhak kehinan bila Vishnu tidak berkontak datang. Jika kita minta Sorkar ni agent start Sorkar sampai kan orang yang kalau bah ingin dia teng dia keban perbinian kakam, bat nengit Sorkar kan tahu kita berhenti. Bat kejup apa? Ni lah kren ke bahasa buat syak Sorkar taban ong bah mentah ke depan saya dia kaskan fis. Ni ong bah haswaban sim dia kena kerai kadu. Ni ong bah nyasain ke MOU. Dari ban sim dia consideration ban take on board. Jika pai ba sok senang itu dijaga. Kemlai banyak dah. Yang semat bah kasbuni jebun ikan rom kata. Hot ni sutu bah kemlai ke besuk. Kemlai jing penduk put bisa. Ni sutu ke Assam kan kam Meghalaya kan kam. Kedon ke jingiapynbeit Mynta dai. Kata bah kedon kalau nanti ke badai babek kajing start ke jungpi nget bah kenam dan ke kondom kata. Konsan kalau diterasno diterai termulu dibat kendo siap it hima rangkat justru konsen pihak dan justru jengut bah Sorkar kam dai jylla jigi kena maknami kedong kan. Lakan syurai tang kata ke komiti badong ka tu ba nengut ngat rayu kadang buat kesken feel su kadang mi biak jingeh. Jalang ba kani ke jeng kedung tas ni kalau kom kawai ke bangi ajemut Sorkar ba hasken feel su kam dai ni kendong kan bad rujuk ke por. Ya kini ki jingiam bejeng bomhun jong pi padba di badin tusnung boda ya kali ke fast fi su bi ong Sorkar ba kadang tahu ila nanti pada ka ong kama su ban remis ke muyur ko handai na suban ong ba kami Meghalaya kam dei Pakistan ka Assam kam dei ka Bangladesh handai kirang dei India masrai ke jengsta ke joki kuruban tahu ila nanti ko tindak kita jingna malah tapi dia pun ni kita kejing persia jong Sorkar hikum akran nangkong ngi kemban ni ban pan jingkhen mano bakla mano mokla Sorkar ka syang ka Sorkar dia sia kren hok lelei budon Sorkar ajar khawai gudon Sorkar Mynta ngimla ban jubab on behalf jong ketal gomen Mynta ba kon gomen ba ale ndai ngas ngoban ong ba dia ka hok jumpa ba bala san pautelik snem sumar ya khandok siap matrai ka syang jing start Sorkar kuno ko pandai
Lalu pembunuh ni kajing penbait report atau phase 1 buat dua atau phase 2 kai ke bawah isu buat cuai buat seng bhalang Pynkylla.
Ya mentah yang palak bandong kai kesenjam ngihap ban dia. Handai ngihap ban puli benya bat ngihap ban dia. Ter dia tai seni ba om tangi kum kisang bhalang kene kata lai harai mdon du kisang bhalang mdon cakap ko khaput. Harai ngihap nya slok it hima yang ba sno. Itrashno buat hang tu. Ya ik step in session ni.
Dia harus kau bergerak di kayu apa? Kalau bapak ini bakal kasar nggak ikan syai mentah sini bakal nakadeng tu Sorkar seorang bah. Ketika bapak penbait ini kapur kabias bet nakatuka pro laka house nam apa nakawi ke government. Tinggi orang bapak yang kuat kan ke government ambil banyak politics ambil banyak ini sistem kapur ambil banyak tak belum dia. Nama beliau datang ni Sorkar ke orang bah yang ini ki boundaries baru ada thor nak ada dimarkit daga Sorkar kepada ajar hadway kamu dah pipit pabakla tak skam apa ini je bakla jeng gitu jadi tak ada ni orang bah ya ke ba pisu tu bakam dei ban nong ya fight be kata kan umli ban su kenyat nak ban kenok ban tekti ban oh nama ni su le be ke Kaba La Dep le dat droy tak mak bawa ajar hadway ya kata ga dep kan syah mana nama tak kampan pau ba pada Sorkar ke iba ke jingle ke Sorkar ke bana ajar hadway kini ki kalau makin skam makan kini bentar.
And we have had a lengthy discussion. They have shown us certain technicalities, certain maps, how it was done, when it was done. They have showed us the technical problems, why these things are happening. Nonetheless, we have told our Honorable Chief Minister that our demands, that there are certain areas that we have pointed out in our memorandum, that these areas, it should be reconsidered. It should be looked upon. Then it was before the map for this signing of the MOU was submitted to the Assam government. This lands belong to the Nongbang Akhang and the Hima Nonglang, and this were never disputed. Assam never disputed for this lands. Assam never claimed this lands. This were always part of Meghalaya. So we pointed that out to our Honorable CM. We pointed out that Assam does not have himas, they don't have scheduled lands, they don't have himas, they don't have akhangs. So we put out our points.
our Honorable Chief Minister has also told us that they will try to look into the matter. They will see to it what can be done in this matter. So that is all. That is all we discussed today. We are pursuing with our demands that these places which belong to the Himanonglang and Nongbak Akheng should remain with Meghalaya. That is our demand. We have already talked with the CM and he has promised that he'll look into the matter.
But the chief minister had maintained that there will be no change in the MOU because you have demanded to review the MOU, but he has maintained that there will be no change. What do you have to say on this?
Actually, these particular areas which we are talking about, these are not even included in the MOU. These places belong to Meghalaya, and this mistake happened while the demarcation was done in the paper while this map was being drawn. So these are technical mistakes. So we have pointed out to them. They have also seen our point. They have also realized that there must be something. So he's saying that we can look into the matter, but the original MOU that they cannot review. But then this might be technical mistakes, so they might be able to rectify this.
Can you mention the name of this village?
These are Malang Huhuapara, Malang Salbari, and Malang Joypur.
And we took the advantage also to apprise to the Chief Minister because there's still a second phase and third phase of discussion for resolving this border issue. So we told them that you take this advantage, approach the government, Assam, because there will be some, in the second phase or third phase, there might be so many area of differences. So I think the government should take advantage of it, how to get back these lands also. It's not about reviewing and all the MOU, but there will be a healthy discussion with the counterpart, with the Assam government. That's what our suggestion. But up to now, our stand is still remain the same. That we are asking the government to kindly, find out the possibilities how to get back all the areas.
Yang su benrap mo yung kanita penduduk kita kasih. Hadien baka Sorkar cung atlik Sorkar gila. Ya sanya kata Dep Soi taka MOU Hapdeng jingiapynbeit ipu Assam. Apan kemau ba atlik meeting ba Sorkar ini kala khot kun kisang bhalang. Pas ngo baka Sorkar kala long kut jumut tu kata panpeit ipu Assam namar ba. Kani kam desu ke barang dawam tam tak layak sampau tadi kisnam. Jika ibang ni ajumut untuk kopor kolong rubah kadi bensim ban bias kata history background. Kadi bensim bro bias ke konsep joka history. Pat kaju kopor kadi ban pensong nong rem bro. Pat ban snap pensong nak it ki hima kat district council hirushmet ki badon ki kot kislah. Tehenrai hadin kadi ka first phase ko ayat untuk. Ngi I kedon ka jingya bom hun ba bon ba kimi ikanom kan rak. Kidon kynhun ki ba dalam penkriak manjat sendika anu kedon ke jumpa sawun kidon rupat ba penpau la jong jum penpau handai habang iakynduh pasngi pensngau ya kani hadien bingra ya boros ka tu pensngap ke jing sisa tingi I nak kaliang ka Sorkar menta pen I kata ka jinglong juman ba nang nu ka simbat nu ka senang tenri ngi samba kani ka jing persang ya keban droyok tolan kam dai bedang sujiam ta arjar apu ar kembo pen I ke Sorkar menta ong pelajian lu arjar katwe kanu ke badet kanu ke balat ngatrai ke Sorkar kin sejawab ngi nama ban jawab kan half jong government handai kai bangi kwa ban persus ke Sorkar menta singi kalong ba ni so tu ba Sorkar ong kalong ba ban ong ban ya keren spang ta review ya ta MOU handai ngatrai ba ke Assam kadang hap India ke Meghalaya hap India ngatrai kadon kalenti kuno ban wak kilat kalenti katangi I ka jing start tong Sorkar jika nongrem ko chungi kren kalong ba kamdai ban yuban ne ban klet no jeng jaw mat jeng beri bosong hai boda manga kren ni kata kalong omdai menum balen sumar tu jaka tu da khani san phau tu gisnam maki ko sumar ndo siap itu ki jaka puta la kalong pe ki hap ke himan bi la ki snong ne kirat ko ta ta jika kong ka kren mta ka Sorkar ngi I jeng start no Sorkar rai kan nongrem pengi yang kalong ba ngin je teng ya keban pet binia ane kakam bat ngit ke Sorkar kan thau birat kanti bat ka ju kopor ngi la kren ka basai ru bat sak Sorkar mta ban ong ba menta ka pen kre ya kas confuse ngi ong ba haswa ban sim ya kono karai khat do ne ban ong ban ya san ka MOU
kadi ban siam ya consideration ban take on board jiki pat ba sok snong itu bicara kan lai ban lai nang skmat ba kas nang mi bon ki kan rom kan ram hot mi so tho ba kam lai ka basuk kan jing pen put pen sa mi so tho ka Assam kan kam Meghalaya kan kam kan don ka jing ya kam ne tain rai katala bi kidon ka lanti ka badai ba bet ka jing sta ka jong khi ngai ba kanam don ka kan rom kan ram kong san ka long itrashnong literally tremolo ibat iakynduh pasya et kihima rangkap terus konsel ihap dan itu jumut ba Sorkar kam dai bijai lai jiki khana mi kan rom kan ram lakan syurai tang ka komiti badang ka tu ka nengot ngathrai os kadang wat ka scan fees kadang mi biang jingeh jelang ba kani ka jingkendu ta singi ka longkom ka wai ka bangi ajumut Sorkar ba haskan fees kam dai mi kan ram bad ka ju ka por yakini ki jingmi jingiam ke jing bomhun jong ki patba ki badi no tusnong ki boda yakani ka fast fees ni ong Sorkar ba kan ben thau wilat kanti lada ka ong kamla su ban reviews ka euro to handai nga soban ong ba ka Meghalaya kam dei Pakistan ka Assam kam dei ka Bangladesh handai kirang dei India nga thrai ka jing start ka jongki kuno ban thau wilat kanti kan ben kita jingna